What's up, everybody? You know it's your boy Odell back with another video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post the video. Alright, guys, this video that I'm posting right now, I did have to delete it because there was some problem with the video. The video was upside down, and one side of the video was showing normal, and the other side of the video was showing upside down. Now, guys, I'm so sorry about that, and I sincerely apologize for anything about the video. Okay, and I'm very sorry about it. I hope you guys can accept my apology. But I did have to take back down that video because the video wasn't showing you guys what you're supposed to be seeing. Alright, guys, so today, guys, we are gonna install FLauncher, and that is a new launcher. It's not a new launcher, but it's a launcher that you can change your default launcher with this one right here. And this is your default launcher. If you don't know, this is your default launcher. We did install an ATV launcher, and we're gonna show you how to get FLauncher. Now, guys, what I want you to do, I want you to go to Play Store right here, and I want you to highlight it and click it, and we're gonna wait for this thing to load up. Okay, it's loading up. We're gonna go up to the search bar up here. We're gonna go to the search bar, and we're gonna click the side button, and we're gonna type in F L, and you should see the FLauncher. You can spell it out if you want, but this is the one that we want right here. This is the FLauncher. Now we are going to highlight it, and we're going to open it. Now, guys, this is the FLauncher you see right here, and I want you guys to always read the description, guys. Always read the description to see what you're downloading and what types of thing that it has. It has no ads on it, and it's automatically render apps within wallpaper support, Android settings, open apps info, uninstall apps, and clock. And if you scroll down just a little bit further, you see you get more options, you get more things right here, like the version right there, and the last updates, and how many people, and email. If you have a problem with it, you can contact them with that email right there. And yeah, so we are going to go back, and we are going to go on install, and we're going to press install right there, and we're going to wait for this thing. It shouldn't take long. It shouldn't take very long because it's not a big file, and it shouldn't take long, but we're going to wait for it to finish. Now, once it finishes like this, guys, you won't get an app on your default launcher. This is how it will look on your TV. You can have it to look like this, and any other way that you would like it to be. Now we're going to click on open right there. We're going to click open, and this is what we want to see, the FLauncher right here. This is the logo, and we're going to look. There it is. This is how it looks, and these are all the apps that you have already on your TV. These are all the apps that you have already. As you guys can see, this is the ATV launcher right there, and you got the FLauncher right there. So in all, I have 3 launcher on my system right here right now. I have 3 launcher. Now you may look and you may say, alright, what kind of settings does it have? If you go up the top right here, you will see this is your default launcher. If you want to go back to the default launcher and come off this launcher, you will press this one right here. Once you press this, it will carry you back to your default launcher. As you guys can see, I have a lot of stuff on it, and these are the settings. That's one of the settings. So you got the Android settings right there, and you got your TV settings. Okay, and if you scroll up to the top up here, you will see that it has another settings. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to get a background. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get a background screen on this right here. But first thing first, you will need to install an image onto your TV, and a TV launcher. I have a video showing you how you can install image on your smart cloud TV imperial. I'm gonna show you a video with that, but not right now. But I will leave. Just go to my channel and type in ATV launcher, and you will see it pop up. Just watch the video and you will see how to get an image on your system. Okay, but now I'm gonna show you how to get a background. Okay, alright, we're gonna go up to settings. Oh, it's already up there. We're gonna go to settings up there, or probably we can go to TV settings, but we're gonna go to the settings at the top, and it should give us this right here. This is what we want to see right here. Everything is on. Okay, and we're gonna click on wallpaper. We're gonna click on wallpaper right there, and we're gonna highlight it, and we are going to choose. You have gallery and flash. You can use a flat USB flash, UN flash, or we're gonna go on custom because we already have an image on our TV. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on it, and it should carry us right here. Now if you don't got any image, you won't see this. Okay, but if you follow the instructions on the ATV launcher and come back to this video, you should get this right here. Okay, I'm gonna see something right here. Now it should look like this. You won't get the image, but it should look like this. But what you want to do, you're gonna click on image. Once you already install the photo, the background photo that you want, just click on image, and once you click on image, you will get this file right here. Okay, then you're gonna click on download. You're gonna click on download. We're gonna highlight it like that and click on download, and you get the image right there. Now we're gonna choose this image. Okay, we're gonna choose that image, and there you will see, let's go back and go back, and there it is. We have gotten an image for the background. That is how we get an image on the background right there. And there are more settings on this this interface right here, but if you do not like this, as I told you before, just on the top, use your remote and find back your default launcher. Now this is your default launcher, and you can go back on it. So this is the new FLauncher right here. So guys, I want to thank you for your amazing support. I apologize for the first video. It did not record properly, so I did have to do it all over back again, and I'm so sorry about it. My sincere apologies. But guys, I don't think I've got some more things that I want to show you on it, but I still have to do some research on it and stuff like that. So, but this is showing you how to install the FLauncher right here. Okay, so guys, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for subscribing. Guys, please hit that thumbs up, that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video.